How to make your car last a long time. Simple checks. Is your car your trusty steed? Want to keep it running smoothly for years to come without breaking the bank? Then this video is for you. We'll cover simple checks you can do yourself to extend your car's lifespan. Regularly checking your car's fluids is crucial. This includes engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Low fluid levels can lead to serious engine damage and costly repairs. Locate the dipsticks and reservoirs for each fluid. Consult your owner's manual for their exact locations. Check the levels against the min and max markings. Top up as needed with the correct type of fluid. Proper tire inflation is essential for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Underinflated tires wear out faster and can lead to blowouts. Overinflated tires can reduce grip and ride comfort. Use a tire pressure gauge to check the pressure in each tire. Refer to the sticker on your driver's side door jamb for the recommended pressure. Also, inspect your tires for any signs of wear and tear, such as bulges, cracks, or uneven tread. A healthy battery is vital for starting your car. Corrosion on the battery terminals can prevent a good connection. Clean the terminals with a wire brush and a mixture of baking soda and water. Check the battery voltage with a multimeter. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. If your battery is old or showing signs of weakness, consider replacing it. Make sure all your lights are working properly. This includes headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights. Replace any burnt-out bulbs immediately. Have a friend help you check your brake lights. Functioning lights are crucial for safe driving and preventing accidents. Inspect your car's belts and hoses for cracks, fraying, or leaks. These components are essential for various systems, including the engine cooling and power steering. Damaged belts or hoses can lead to breakdowns. If you notice any signs of wear, replace them promptly. Consult a mechanic if you're unsure how to do this yourself. By performing these simple checks regularly, you can significantly extend the life of your car and save money on costly repairs. Don't wait, start checking your car today. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful car maintenance tips and tricks. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to keep their cars running smoothly. Leave a comment below and tell us what other car maintenance topics you'd like us to cover.